welcome to the vlog. And yeah, I'm in the car. It's chilly out. It's 30 some degrees here in good old Michigan. We are headed to the store to get that favorite dessert that everybody's asking me for. How to make Snicker salad. So come on, stay tuned, sit back, and let's go shopping. Alrighty guys, we are headed into Walmart. Let's go. Alrighty guys, as you can see, we're in Walmart. We're looking at apples here. Any type of apple you would like. You just need about 6, 7, however you want. Now we're moving on to the Snickers. Oh yeah, good ingredients. Minis, right up your alley. Great to chop up. Don't need a lot. Then we're going to move on over to the Heath Bar in the baking area. You'll find this. You need only one bag if you're making a small batch to feed an accurate amount of people. I kind of do my own judging, and you'll do yours as you learn to make this dish on your own. Then we're headed on over into the freezer aisle to pick up us some whipped topping secret top ingredients. Enjoy! Alrighty guys, you guessed that right. It's another cooking vlog. I am going to attach the shopping list and all your needs that you are going to need to make it. We have good old Snickers salad, guys. You will need apples that are right there, the Heath, the Snickers, and our special ingredient is yet to come. So stay tuned, come along, I'll show you what needs to be done. You will need a core right there, a culinary knife, and a cutting board for this. All right, guys, see you in a few. Hi, guys. So this is what we're going to do. You're going to take your apple core, you're going to place your apple on your cutting board, and you're going to just basically core your apples. So they turn out into little apple slices like so. Now you can use any kind of apples. You can use green apples, you can use galas, you can use whatever you would like. You don't have to have a certain type of apple. So once you get them all cut up and cored, you're going to go ahead and you're going to take your apple slices and you're going to cut them apple slices into cubes or chunks. And you're going to throw them into a mixing bowl. And I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so now that you can see I've cored up a few of the apples here and I've got them into apple slices, I'm going to show you how I just chopped those up here. Safety first. Kids, if you're doing this and you see this, please do not do it without an adult around. Do not want little ones cutting their fingers. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and chop up mine. We're going to chop up these core slices. Just like what you see me doing. Like so. Alright guys, now you got them all chopped up. You're going to put them into a big old mixing bowl like so. And we'll be right back. Alrighty guys, this is our very last apple we have left to core. And you will see that I have totaled a core of 6 apples tonight. I'm trying not to cut myself because this one is a little off kilter. There we go. Now you guys can also go ahead and find these in your supermarket that are already cut. But it's a little bit more money if you do it this way, if you do it that way versus going with a whole apple and just buying you a little core from the dollar store and coring it up yourself. So give me just one more minute here and you guys will see exactly what it looks like. And then after this is pretty much the hardest part, I feel, is cutting up the apple. I mean, it's the more messier, juicier part of things, let's say. Alrighty, so now that that is done, I will show you right there. There are all the apples that are cut up and chunked up. So for the next part, we are going to go, let me raise this up for you guys. The next part, we are going to go ahead and we are going to bust out into our Snicker minis, guys. When you hear the name Snicker salad, it does include Snickers. And all you're going to do is take your minis, set them right here on the table, because this is where the fun part happens. Now you can be the judge of how much Snicker you want into your Snicker salad. I go ahead and I open up my minis. Let me get them all in here for what I picked up for right now. And the thing I just picked up was like a family size Snicker minis, because you don't want them real big. I mean, you could go with bigger Snicker bars, but that's just a whole lot more cutting you'd have to do. Okay, so now that I got a couple here on the counter, you're going to go ahead and you're going to cut them in fours. Cut them in half and cut them in half. And just plop them in to your good old bowl here. So let me get some of these to chopping. And then I will come back and show you what I have in my bowl. See you soon. Alrighty guys, as you can see, we're slowly winding down our chocolate cutting of the Snickers. Now, I used about maybe 20 to 25 minis here. You be the judge on how much Snicker you would like in your Snicker salad. But this isn't even the key ingredient yet, guys. Scrape the chocolate down into the board, or into the bowl. Clean off the edge of your knife a little bit. Now the next part is to come. Have to go grab the secret ingredient besides a little bit of this. You're going to use about a third, 1/3 cup of this already. And you're going to put it into the bowl. This gives it an added little crunch. Or what I like to do is, I'll be honest, I don't measure. I just kind of use your eye point on it all. You just want to, you don't want to overdo the crunch part, but you don't want to underdo the crunch part. So once you got everything in the bowl, your bowl should come out looking like this. And here guys, I'll give you a little bit better of an angle. There you go. Now we're going to mix it up and I'll show you what's next. Alrighty guys, as you can see, we have our bowl here. We're going to go ahead and mix some of this up. And if you see some large chunks of apples, like, I'll be honest with you, there's one here. Go ahead and put it on your cutting board and just chunk it out again. Don't be afraid to downsize or dice up your apples even further as you're mixing some things up. Sometimes you just have to do that. So now that you got everything mixed and the apples are coated in a chocolatey, heath crunchy way, you're going to go ahead and we're going to add our secret ingredient. Be right back. Alrighty guys, time for your secret ingredient. Your secret ingredient today is going to be Cool Whip. That's right, Snicker salad is based with Cool Whip, guys. Or you can use whatever type of Cool Whip topping you're allowed to do. You can also mix it with marshmallow fluff, so that way it has a little bit more of a consistency, thickness to it, but I like to use just straight up Cool Whip. Let me get this all in here. Sorry guys, I didn't mean to keep my hand in front of the camera there. And now we are going to mix this all up. Now I used, for this big bowl, I used 16 ounces of Cool Whip.
Oh, I'm going to eat that now.
I know it looks really good, doesn't it?
It smells good.
And you may need actually another one as well on top of this, because I don't sometimes one is enough, but you may need two, which I have another one in the fridge. And then what you do, guys, is you're going to go ahead and dish it into whatever bowl you're going to serve in, and you're going to let it sit in the fridge until it's time to come out and serve. Now, this is something you can make up pre-time, or you can wait to add the Cool Whip into it. But we are going to dinner here in just a little bit. We're having a huge family feast of Thanksgiving. And then what I like to do is I'm going to add just the rest of this little heath on top of it. And I'll show you what it looks like in just a second. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. Snicker salad. Now the dish that I did make feeds about, I want to say it's as many people as you would like. You can make this dish smaller. Just use less apples. Refrigerate up until serving time, and I hope you all enjoy. Alrighty guys, there you have it, Snicker salad. Now guys, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that little red subscribe button. Ring that notification bell so you don't miss any more of these awesome vlogs, guys. And until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.